there, super learners, and welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me today for a really fun adventure all about numbers. Okay, I've got a question for you. Do you love solving puzzles? Like figuring out a really good mystery? Yeah, me too. It's such an awesome feeling when you crack the code and find the answer, right? Well, you're in luck. Go ahead and put on your detective hat because that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to become math detectives and we'll work together to solve some super fun number puzzles. Sound good? Are you ready? All right, let's jump right in. Now, every great detective needs a little training first. So for this first case, you can just watch me. I'll show you exactly how it's done. Let's go solve our first clue. Ooh, here's our first mystery. It's called the juice case. Let's read the clue out loud together. It says, there are 19 bottles of juice on a shelf. Pete buys 4 of them. Then the boss puts 3 more on the shelf. So our big mission is to figure out how many bottles are there now? Okay, let's break this case down. First, we start with 19 bottles. Now the clue says Pete buys 4. When you buy something and take it from the shelf, it's gone, right? It's taken away. So that means we need to subtract. We do 19 minus 4. And what does that equal? Yep, 15. Awesome, we've already solved the first part of the puzzle. But wait, we're not done yet. The case isn't closed. We have 15 bottles now. Then the clue says the boss puts 3 more on the shelf. So for adding more bottles, that means we need to add. So what's 15 plus 3? Come on, that's right, it's 18. And there it is. That's our answer. There are 18 bottles on the shelf now. We did it. Case closed. The juice case is officially solved. You did a great job watching, detective. Wow, your detective training went perfectly. Now, it's time for us to team up. That's right, we're going to be partners on this next case. We'll solve it together, step by step. All right, partner, you ready? Our next case is the pizzeria puzzle. Let's check out the clue. There are 9 people in a pizzeria. 4 people leave, and then 3 people enter. Okay, so our mission is to find out how many people are in that pizzeria right now. Okay, partner, you're up. Let's look at that first part. We start with 9 people, and then 4 people leave. What does leave mean? Are we adding or taking away? That's right, we're taking away. We're subtracting. So what is 9 minus 4? I'll give you a second to think. Did you get it? Is it 5? It is. You got it. That's amazing. Great job, partner. 9 take away 4 is 5. Perfect. So we have 5 people left. Okay, on to part 2 of the puzzle. Now there are 5 people and 3 more people enter. They come in. So, are we going to add or subtract? Totally, we add. All right, what is 5 plus 3? You can do this. It's 8. Yes, the answer is 8 people in the pizzeria. We solved it. We did it together. That was some seriously awesome teamwork, detective. Virtual high five. You have been an absolutely incredible partner. But you know what? I think it's time for you to be the lead detective. I know you're ready for it. You can totally solve this next case all by yourself. And don't worry, I'll be right here cheering you on. Okay, lead detective, listen up. Here's your case. It's called the art puzzle. The clue says, Shirley drew 12 pictures, she threw 6 away, then she drew 5 more. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to figure out how many pictures she has now. You've totally got this. All right, you're in charge. What's the very first thing we need to do? The clue says she starts with 12 pictures, and then she throws 6 away. So how many are left? Take a moment and figure that out. It's 6. Did you get 6? That's it. Fantastic. 12 minus 6 equals 6. You are doing such an awesome job on this case. Okay, don't stop now. We're almost at the end. Here is the final clue. She has 6 pictures left, and then she draws 5 more. So, what is the final answer? How many pictures does Shirley have now? 11. The final answer is 11. Yes, you did it. You solved the art puzzle all by yourself. You are an absolutely amazing math detective. Wow, you should be so proud of yourself. You are a real math superstar. Before we finish up, let's just quickly go over those special detective skills we used today to solve all our cases. Okay, here's our secret math detective method. It's just 4 simple steps. Step 1, we read the story clue really carefully. Step 2, we find the numbers. Step 3, we solve the first part of the problem. And step 4, we solve the second part. See? Easy. So, now that you are an official trained math detective, I've got one last big question for you. What other number puzzles can you find and solve today? I bet if you look around your house, or maybe at the park or the grocery store, you'll find the world is just full of number mysteries just waiting for a super detective like you to solve them. You were all so amazing today. You know, the most important thing is to just keep practicing and always have fun with math. I seriously can't wait to solve more cases with you again super soon. See you next time, math detectives. Bye for now.